Good afternoon, back here again. This is the 29th of October. We're looking at the various charts and keenly observing the yen pairs. Interesting to take note of this movement. There's a lot of movement in the yen pairs. This is a 1 hour chart. And quick observation, looks like the prices had topped and selling has begun, or a discount has kicked in. So let's see if this is what's happening. Is it a temporary movement? Looks like it will drop down further. We can only wait, but I'm waiting for a correction in the market. There's a huge discount here, and the prices last topped over here. This topping of the market, of the prices in the market, is a good indicator of what to look out for the next movement. So let's take a look at the fundamentals. What's going on today? We had the New York trading session. Let's see, we're on Tuesday, the October 29th. Here we are. 5:46 p.m. Nairobi time, and it's this movement. Let me quickly refresh. Aha. We should check the USD pairs, the dollar pairs, and coming up, the Swiss and the Canadian as well. We'll have to take a look at that much later, probably tomorrow when we're reviewing the markets. But right now we can see for the job openings, it's gone red. Expected, the forecast was 7.98 million job openings, but 7.44 million, so much lower than expected. Not good for the US dollar. But can quickly go back to the yen pairs. Let's look at the dollar yen. As we said, a weakening of the dollar, hence that very quick movement down, but looks like it's correcting very fast as well. We'll have to take a look at, look at this. The trend is still upwards on the higher time frame. We don't know whether it's getting to a peak, whether the prices are getting to a peak. Definitely looks like it. But for this huge rejection, that candle is something worth looking at and waiting for. That was about 45 pips, quite something. But let me go down to the lower time frame, see if there's anything going to happen anytime soon. After the huge rejection, there was still some selling going on even after the rejection. Some buyers tried to kick in. I think these prices were really amazing for most of the buying market. Okay, am I seeing any convincing movement yet on the dollar yen pair? Not yet, except this huge rejection here, the week of this candle. What does that tell me? It tells me that as the prices lowered, or as the dollar weakened, the buyers who kicked in. But even when they did, there's still a further weakening. So quite volatile there. Need to take a closer look at that. Go down to the 5-minute time frame. Not necessary, but why not? Let's see if it's a complete movement. And this also still says it's still a seller's market. We're waiting to see if indeed the buyers are kicking in. That's the dollar yen pairs. Still in a seller's market, waiting to see if the buyers are kicking in. Still in the seller's market. In the 1 hour time frame, quite strong the rejection there. I can see it from far. But also to note, something worth noting is seems like the prices quite much look like they peaked for now. Any movement past 153.863 is worth taking note of. What am I waiting for with the yen pairs? I'm waiting for a deeper discount. I don't like these high prices. Wouldn't jump in right now. Normally I don't. So I'm being just patient, sitting this one out, waiting for the risk takers. Probably could look for a quick entry up. I don't see it clearly. I won't take it. So let's look at the pound yen. Pound yen is even clearer. Yes, we're seeing new highs in price. The pound yen. It's a new peaking of the prices. As I said before, worth taking note of. The only way we can figure this out is by going to, this is a 1 hour chart. Let's go down to the 15-minute chart. Still an upward trend. Still going strong upward trend. Is it slowing down? Quick movements. Buyers are still there. But this discount shows the buyers are still there. Movement up. Yes, we do expect that, but not yet quite clear. Zooming close, I see if there are any quick buys to be taken. A major discount that was given. I still don't like it. I'm still sitting on the fence on this one. Yes, this is quite some discount. And looking at the last peak, price peak. Yeah, pretty decent discount. But on the other hand, is it slowing down completely? Does this tell us that this is slowing down completely? Worth watching, worth taking note of. The Aussie yen. No, 5-minute doesn't look nice. Let's move to the higher time frame on the daily. What was going on there? Oh, well, nothing much to observe here. Waiting for a price correction or a discount to be given because of this quick movement up. Waiting to see if a discount will be given so that buyers can still kick in, worth noting. This is worth noting. I think the Aussie yen will be up on my charts to observe tomorrow. Worth observing, taking note of. And yeah, probably should go down to the lower time frame, see if there's anything there for me, anything that we can take advantage of. I'm letting you just see my thought process, how I process my trades and my entries. I don't quite like this range. The ranging here tells me that all the buyers and the sellers are all pretty comfortable with this price range. Pretty comfortable. I know there's a slightly new high there. But fell back to the same range. Just there. Not yet convinced. No. Nothing much happening on the Aussie yen on the 1 hour. So we're expecting some movement on the daily. So a few more days to go. At a movement down. That's what we do expect. Breaching this lower prices will be worth taking note of. So that's what we're looking for out for a movement down. So quickly, the euro yen. Oh, this is a beautiful movement. This is quite something. Oh, waiting for any discounts to be given. If the discounts do come in, 165.019 would be a good place for entry. That's on the 1 hour chart. Yep, I think so, because the previous low price preferred was at 162.050. It's quite some time back. I like this high. Waiting for any discount to come down to this level. If it goes down strongly as a discount, we know that this price will be the last to have been preferred. Worth watching. I love this movement. A lot of action on this pair. But on the other hand, it's also tending to reach the peak prices. I like taking this trade at a much lower price. Lower price is more comfortable. Taking these high trades for a few pips, for the sake of yes, for a few pips, why not? But to stay in for a longer trade, no. Yep, just about 100 pips or so. That's what we'd be looking for if we do get in at around the 165 price, at around the 165.019 price. So there we go. The US dollar, what kind of havoc has it rendered? Let's see if there's any. Okay, not much. That's a Aussie dollar. Let's see if there are any other US pairs that we can look at. I like what's happening with the Bitcoin. I do check this from time to time, just for the sake of it's hitting a good peak. 71,875 is the current price. I like this movement. Very good movement. Let's go up to the daily. We see if, for those who just follow Bitcoin, this is as a by the way. Okay. We have new prices, new high prices kicking in. Very strong buys there. Very strong. Very strong. Worth taking a note of. So, well, that's that for today. Thank you for joining. See you tomorrow. Probably we'll do the London session tomorrow. Thank you.